Let's solve this together. It says a plus b is equal to 7 and ab is equal to 7. We're going to solve for the value of a and b. Okay? Now, first things first, let's call this equation 1 and call this equation 2. So that we have that from equation 2, so we say from equation 2, that a is equal to 7 over b. Okay? Now let's put a as 7 over b in equation 1. We now have that 7 over b plus b is equal to 7. From here, we can say, given this from equation 1, alright? From here, we can say, multiplying each term by b. So this is one term, this another term, and this another term. B times this is 7 plus b times b is b squared is equal to 7 times b is 7b. Okay? Now from here, we have b squared minus 7b plus 7 is equal to 0. Okay? Now, moving on from here, we can say let's solve this using the quadratic formula. And what does the quadratic formula state? Okay, so in order to make this easier for me, let me say that b is equal to m. Okay, so let b be equal to m. Okay, then I can write this as, so given that b is equal to m, the equation now becomes m squared minus 7m plus 7 equals 0. Okay, now using the quadratic formula, we can say that m is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, now a is the coefficient of the first term, which is m, b is the coefficient of the second term, c is the coefficient of the last term. All right, now this is equal to minus b is minus 7, which is plus 7, plus or minus square root of b squared is minus 7 squared, which is 49, minus 4 times 7 times 1, which is minus 28, all over 2a is 2 times 1, which is 2. Now n here becomes equal to 7 plus or minus square root of 9 minus 8 is 1, 4 minus 2 is 2, all over 2. Okay, so this becomes the values for m. And remember that m is equal to b. So we have that b is equal to 7 plus or minus square root of 21 all over 2. Okay, remember that a is equal to 7 over b. Alright, and then our b is 7 plus or minus root 21 all over 2. We're going to solve for a from here. So moving on from here, we can say that a now will be equal to, we say a, when b is equal to 7 plus root 21 over 2, let's find a when b is equal to 7 plus root 21 over 2. This becomes 7 divided by 7 plus root 21 all over 2 is what a becomes. Now this is equal to 7 multiplied by 2 or divided by 7 plus root of 21. Okay, now from here we can say something. We can say let's multiply both the numerator and denominator by the conjugate of this denominator. The conjugate of the denominator is gotten by negating the sign and multiplying this and this by the conjugate. That's why I rationalize the denominator. So we have that this is equal to 14 divided by 7 plus root 21, multiplying here now by 7, and it becomes what? Minus, because it's a conjugate, root 21, and also multiply the denominator by 7 minus root 21. Okay, so you just multiply the numerator by the same thing you multiply the denominator, so you can cancel that to give you 1. Okay, but that's how I rationalize. Now this is equal to 14 into 7 minus root 21. And now the numerator gives us the difference of two squares where we have this, this, and this, and this. So we have 7 squared is 49 minus root of 21 squared is 21. Okay, from here we have 49 minus 21 is 28. Okay, so this is equal to 28. Okay, so what we have here is 14 into 7 minus 21 over 28. Now 28 now can go into 14 can go into 28 to give me 2. So what I'm left with here is equal to 7 plus root 21 all over 2. Okay, and that's my answer for A. Now it means that when Sorry, 7 minus, rather. Sorry for that. 7 minus root 21 over 2. Now, what does this mean? It means that when A is equal to 7 plus, sorry, when B is equal to 7 plus root 21 over 2, A becomes 7 minus root 21 over 2. Hence, or otherwise, when A is 7 plus root 21 over 2, B becomes 7 minus root 21 over 2. Thanks for watching. If you made it to the end, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.